Major Piru Singh Shekhawat, born on May 20, 1918 in Rajasthan, played a heroic role in the 1947 India-Pakistan War as part of the 6th Rajputana Rifles. Tasked with capturing a Pakistani post in Titwal, Jammu and Kashmir, Singh continued to fight courageously despite being the sole survivor from his company. Injured by an enemy grenade, he still managed to kill 6 Pakistanis and capture 2 posts. While advancing towards a 3rd post, he was shot and martyred. For his extraordinary bravery, Singh was posthumously awarded the Paramveer Chakra in 1952, becoming the first in the Rajputana Rifles to receive this honour. Additionally, Prime Minister Narendra Modi named INAN 374 Island in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Piru, in his memory. Freedom fighter Bipin Chandra Pal, a key figure in India's fight for independence, died on May 20, 1932 in Kolkata. Alongside Lala Lajpat Rai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Pal formed the influential trio of extremist leaders known as Lal Bal Pal, which vigorously opposed British rule post-1857. Pal, regarded as the father of revolutionary ideas, was also a teacher, social reformer, speaker, writer and journalist. He advocated for reducing poverty and unemployment through boycotting foreign goods and promoting indigenous products. The trio led a significant movement against the partition of Bengal in 1905, garnering widespread public support. Sri Aurobindo hailed Pal as the bravest champion of nationalism. On May 20, 1766, Malhar Rao Holkar, a prominent Maratha warrior leader, died in Madhya Pradesh. Despite coming from a non-military family, he established the Maratha Empire beyond Maharashtra and demonstrated remarkable military prowess. Holkar played a crucial role in the Marathas' battle against the Nizam of Hyderabad in 1728 by disrupting the Nizam's supply lines, aiding Peshwa Bajirao I in securing victory. Impressed, Bajirao I granted him a large area in western Malwa. Holkar's notable battles include the Battle of Delhi 1737, the Battle of Bhopal 1738, and conflicts against the Portuguese in Maharaja Surajmal. Founder of the Holkar dynasty, his efforts extended the Maratha Empire's reach beyond Attock.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। पीएचडी एमफिल करें अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। पीएचडी एमफिल किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी। एजुकेशन ग्लोरिफाइज नेशन।
Sumitra Nandan Pant, born on May 20, 1900 in Uttarakhand, is celebrated as one of the 4 main pillars of the Chayavadi era in Hindi literature, alongside Jaishankar Prasad, Mahadevi Verma and Suryakant Tripathi Nirala. Renowned for his exquisite portrayal of nature's beauty, Pant became a leading figure in the new trend of Hindi poetry around 1918. His first poetry collection, Veena, marked his literary debut, followed by Pallav. Pant's contributions earned him numerous accolades, including the Padma Bhushan in 1961, the Gyanpith Award in 1968, and the Sahitya Akademi Award. He passed away from a heart attack on December 28, 1977. On May 20, 2011, Premlata Agrawal became the oldest Indian woman to scale Mount Everest, reaching the summit at 9:35 a.m. A mother of two, she achieved this remarkable feat through rigorous training, including climbing the 20,300-foot island peak in the Himalayas and spending over a month at Everest Base Camp. Her dedication and perseverance earned her the prestigious Padma Shri Award. Premlata's accomplishment stands as an inspiring testament to her determination and strength. On May 20, 1498, Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama became the first European to reach India by sea, landing on the coast of Calicut. His primary objective was to establish a spice trade route. Vasco da Gama set sail from Lisbon on July 8, 1497, with a fleet of 4 ships. He visited India 3 times, with his final journey in 1524. Vasco da Gama died of malaria on December 24, 1524 in Kochi. His voyages marked the beginning of a new era in global trade and European exploration.